How to install wp-cli on Windows. So for that, first of all, open your browser, and here just open Google. Now inside Google, type scoop for Windows. Sorry, type scoop for Windows. Now click on the first link. This is the scoop. Now you just need to copy the command from here and open your PowerShell. Now paste all the command and hit enter. And it asking me to permission, so I will click uh, yes and hit enter. So as you can see, it started downloading the scoop. Let's wait for few seconds. So as you can see, I have opened my task manager, and in the network, if I go, you can see it started downloading the scoop, right? It started downloading the scoop. If I open PowerShell, you can see it started download. So wait for few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, scoop has been successfully downloaded. Let's clear the screen and type scoop. And as you can see, scoop has been downloaded successfully. Let's clear the screen, and in the scoop website, search for wp-cli, hit enter, and you can see this is the wp-cli main package. If I click on the link, it go to wp-cli website. Okay, now copy the command, which is this, and now open the PowerShell, paste the command and hit enter. And as you can see, it started downloading the wp-cli for yourself. Okay, all the thing has been configured successfully. Let's close the PowerShell and let's open PowerShell again. And if I type wp, as you can see, wp-cli has been installed successfully. If I open cmd and type wp, again as you can see, wp-cli has been installed. Now if I want to create a blank project, so for that I am using currently XAMPP. Okay, so let's start all the server, and here let's open the server. And if I type to create a blank project in wp-cli, if I open wp-cli website, so this is the website, and for creating a blank project, we just need to type, just wait. Okay, so starting a project, just open your cmd here and type wp core download. So as you can see, wp-cli it's working, and it started downloading the WordPress. It's the full proof that your wp-cli is in your system. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next time.